Grab your stability ball and your purple loop band, bringing the purple loop band around the outer thighs, coming to lie supine with the feet on the ball for some supine bridging. Feet hip distance apart, hands heavy on the floor. Tuck your pelvis under like a scared puppy, flattening the low back into the floor. Pull the navel in towards the spine. Brace your abs, exhale the air out. Inhale, pelvis lifts up into the air, feet are hip distance apart and perfectly parallel. Exhale, hold it here. Inhale, brace your abs, staying up. And exhale, lower. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, send the pelvis back up. Exhale, hold it up. Inhale, 2, stay up. 3, 4. Exhale, peeling down from the upper back to the mid back to the tailbone. Again, tucking the pelvis, lifting up, holding it up. Inhale, 1, breathe. Exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, peeling down upper back, mid back to tailbone. We'll keep going like that, working on our glute strength in these wonderful bridges. Inhaling to prepare and send the pelvis up. Exhaling to hold. Inhale. And exhale, peeling down upper back, mid back to tailbone. Take a little break, draping the calves over the ball. Inhale, prepare, pointing the toes. Exhale, circle the feet away from one another. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, point the toes. 2, 3, 4. Eversion, circle the feet out. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, point the toes. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, circle the feet out. 2, 3, 4. One more point. 2, 3, 4. Circle the feet out and away from the body. Place the feet back on the ball. One more set here. Inhale. Tuck the pelvis, round it up, hold it up. Exhale the air out. Inhale, stay up, pelvis reaching for the wall in front of you. Low belly firm. Exhale, peeling down upper back, mid back to tailbone. Extending the legs out without locking the knees. Feet are still hip distance apart, but now the heels are on the ball. Hands are heavy at your side. Upper back is imprinting, chin is lifted, shoulders are plugged down, belly's firm. Inhale, send the pelvis up. Exhale, bring the ball out and in 2 times. And then lower down upper back, mid back to tailbone. Here's some parallel hamstring curls to strengthen the back of the legs. Inhale to lift. Exhale, bringing it out, in, and lowering slowly down. Take your time, tuck the pelvis. Inhale, lift. 2, 3, 4, and out, in, lower, slow. Inhale, lift. 2, 3, 4. Take it out and in. Go at a tempo that feels normal. And then make sure you lower yourself down by keeping your abs in. Don't push them out. Soften your sternum. Keep pressing the back ribs into the floor, imprinting, widening the collarbone, plugging the shoulders down. Hang in there. Take a little break. Drape the calves over the ball. Inhale, point the toes. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, circle the feet away from the body. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, point the toes. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, circle. 2, 3, 4. Keep going with the eversion. Circles away from the body. Inhale, point. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, circle. 2, 3, 4. One more point. 2. Just plant or flex those toes. And then circle them away from one another. 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, we're going to take the purple loop band off of the thighs, coming into a wide leg bridge. So wide leg bridging with the feet on the stability ball. So almost like the feet are in a second position, or what you would do a sumo squat in. So just very wide. You're going to wrap your toes, curl the toes around the ball a bit, pointing your feet, involving the feet. Make sure you're not turning out from your feet or knees, but from the top of the hip socket. So hands heavy at your side. Tuck your booty under like a scared puppy. Inhale, send the hips up. Hold them up. Inhale, 1. Breathe. Exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, peeling down upper back, mid back to tailbone. Inhale, back up. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, stay up. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, second breath up. And lower slowly. 2, 3, 4. 2 more sets like this. Inhale, lift. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, hold. 2, 3, 4. Inhale, stay up. 2, 3, 4. Exhale, lower. 2, 3, 4. Last one. Up. 2, 3, 4. And hold. 2, 3, 4. Brace your abs. Lowering down vertebrae by vertebrae. All the way down. From here, taking our green loop band around our ankles and tying our red Theraband a quarter of the way into our foam roller. So I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to wrap around the knuckles of my dominant hand first, stepping up onto the roller with my feet hip distance apart. Watch me first. Inside foot's arch of the foot will go into the band for a hamstring kickback. I'm going to hold the loaded arm overhead in a press, just keeping it up, and the leg will go in and out. So I'll exhale it out. 2, 3. Inhale, bend at the knee and feel my pelvis pull down towards the roller as it comes in. Go ahead and keep a soft bend in the knees. You can always do this standing on the floor or by a wall. If doing it on the roller, you're too apprehensive about this. Wrap around the knuckles of your dominant, tighter arm first, stepping up with a soft bend in the knees, bringing the inside foot into the green loop band. Here we go. Overhead press, chin up, low belly firm. Soften the gaze. Keep it a little higher than eye level. Keep going in and out with that hamstring kickback. So exhale out. 2, 3. Inhale in. 2, 3. That's all it is. Exhale out. 2, 3. Inhale in. 2, 3. Wrap the toes of the supporting leg around the roller. Make sure that foot isn't turned out, that it's perfectly parallel, that there's always a soft bend in that knee, that your chin is lifted, your front ribs are fighting to find the back ribs, and the back ribs are puffing to the wall behind you. Remember, like you have that book bag of cement on so that the upper back is involved, not the front of the shoulders and chest. Finish up the one you're on and slowly step off the roller, coming to the other side, setting up for the other side. So it's the inside leg that's our working leg. The outside arm is loaded with that red Theraband in the overhead press. Don't lock out in your elbow if you have hyperextension in your elbows. Hold it here. Brace your abs. Gaze up higher than eye level. Imagine my hands on your shoulder blades. Puff the back ribs towards my hands. Don't let the belly push out. Pull it in towards the spine. Lift internally up on the muscles that stop your stream of pee. And every time you inhale, when you bring that leg in the kickback, you should have started by now, your pelvis grounds down towards the roller. Every time you kick back, your inner thighs pull back a little bit, but your supporting leg, the knee is soft, the pelvis is still really nice and grounded, and the lower pelvic floor muscles are actively lifting in and up like you're trying to stop your stream of pee. Keep going with that. Nice long inhales and exhales. Hanging in there. Breathing through it. Give me one more, then bend the knees, brace your abs, and slowly come off of the roller. We'll need to take the green loop band off, bringing our purple loop band on. We'll do an assisted quadricep stretch. You can use a chair or your stability ball, bringing the top of the foot on it, like so. If you can grab your foot, you can grab your foot. So I'll show you all 3 variations, but I want the purple loop band around the outer thighs. It's the outside foot that's either going up onto the ball, chair. Actually, you can do the inside foot. So if you're using a wall, if you have one hand on the wall, the outside hand can be on the hip. And so your outside leg, the leg not closest to the wall, is your standing leg. So your inside leg is going to kick to your butt if you're using the chair or the ball. Now, if you're using your hand, it makes more sense that the outside leg it's your outside hand and outside leg. So I'll show you all 3 variations. Start with your dominant tighter side. Get into that quadricep fascia, just driving the thigh back, making sure you're not locking out in your supporting leg's knee, that your chin is up, your gaze is soft, and that you're breathing. Always breathing. Working on the deep lift of the pelvic floor. And from here, let's slowly set up on the other side, taking that stretch, well-deserved stretch after all that hard work for your glutes and hamstrings. You're getting a nice postural stretch for your quadriceps. Breathing into that, inhale. Bracing the abs and exhale. Again, inhale. Tucking the booty under and pressing the pelvis forward a little to intensify the stretch, keeping a soft bend in the supporting legs knee. One more breath here, inhale. And let's let that go. Great job.